Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Yeshi. So in today's video, I am going to be doing some photo journaling. So for those of you who don't really know what photo journaling is, it's basically journaling but in form of pictures and photographs. You can photo journal every day or every week or every month or on special occasions or like your trips. So in this video, I will be journaling one of my trips to Kerala. Kerala reminds me so much about Sri Lanka. The food, the people, the houses, the roads, everything is so similar to Sri Lanka. I just love Kerala. So we went to Kerala somewhere in 2017 with my cousins, my aunt and my family. It was my second trip to Kerala. First we went to Thekadi and stayed at a beautiful hotel there. We visited the Periyar Tiger Reserve, which was pretty close to the hotel we stayed in. We walked through the reserve to reach this beautiful lake where we went on a boat ride and saw many beautiful birds and a couple of animals. The next day we went to this hilltop. It was really foggy. We couldn't see a single thing that was in front of us. And I'm acrophobic, so it was basically a nightmare for me until the fog started clearing up. But once the fog cleared up, the view there was just wow. No words to explain it. As time passed and the sun started to set, our tour guide told us that we could probably encounter a couple of elephants. We did see a couple of elephants, but they were far away in a different hill, but we were still able to see them quite well. We stayed at Thekadi for about 2 to 3 days and then we went to Alapula backwaters. We rented a boathouse there where we had freshly made meals from freshly caught fishes. And those meals tasted so much like a typical Sri Lankan meal. And the boathouse we stayed in looked exactly like the boathouses shown in movies. It had about 4 bedrooms, a kitchen and a dining area. It kind of felt like we were in a movie shooting spot. We stayed at the boathouse overnight and then the next day we left to go see the Attirapalli waterfalls. We have visited the waterfalls before when we were on our first trip to Kerala, but seeing the waterfall even for the second time was so astonishing. I wasn't feeling too well because my tonsillitis started acting up due to all the climate changes, but that view was just stunning. And then we headed back to Trichy where we spent the rest of our holiday. And then we came back to Sri Lanka. I really loved making this video and this journal. It reminded me so much of all the good times we had before COVID. I really hope the world gets back to normal so that we can travel again, meet our family and friends, and enjoy every single moment we get. I really hope you liked this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post videos related to arts and craft, fashion designing, DIY, planning and organizing, cooking, embroidery and many more. I will see you in my next video. Stay safe and take care.